Hello guys, welcome back. This is my third video of my YouTube channel, Oakley's World of Fun. Today we are going to be opening up another toy for my video, obviously. And this toy, well, it's not really a toy, it is a teddy, but they are the same thing roughly. So yeah, I'm going to show you the packaging, and what we are doing is a Cats versus Pickles. You know, you might have seen the advert on TV, Cats versus Pickles. So this is the front side. As you can see, it's got the pickle and 3 cats on the bottom. Then if we turn it around, it has got a code, and I think this is a type of limited edition Cat versus Pickle, and there's a scan code there. I've been waiting so long to open this thing. I've been because I've really wanted to show you guys. We've went to my local Smiths to get this, so I do give credit to Smiths. Good for the Cats versus Pickles. I have opened one before, and I got this one called Ahoy. It's like a pirate one. I don't have it near me to show you, but yeah. So I think we should hop into the opening, but I'm just going to show you the actual writing of Cats versus Pickles. So I think it's cool how they've actually used the pickles and cats in the name. So yeah, that's really cool. I think there's like an ice cream cat right there. There's a green pickle there. I mean, pickles are normally green. There's like a robot kitty there, and a lollipop kitty there. There's also the space one, the like tie-dye one, and a space one. Right, we are going to open it. This is going to be hard. Let me do it work without scissors. Might have to use my teeth. Can't open this thing. Oh, sorry, it's taken so long. I think I might just got it. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I'm destroying the packaging. Okay. We got a pickle. It's going in the bath. Gonna have a good clean. That pickle's gonna have a real good cleaning. That's how I can just imagine me laying in the bath now. But that's so cool. So like, show you up on the front. There's like a little rubber ducky. You always need rubber duckies for bath. Then we've got the little cleaner there. Then I'll show you the back. The back side, it's got the heart of the cat and pickle. But I've never actually looked at this tag. It says Felicia. It says bye Felicia. Bye Felicia. There's a little code there if you want to scan it. But it literally says bye Felicia. Really? Really, Cats versus Pickles? It said bye Felicia. Let me just open this thing to show you all the ones you can collect. Let me find our one that we got. Well, I found the other one I got. It's Ahoy, that little one right there. but this is the full sheet for one of the sides, which I think is really cool. Like, it's like really cool. I'm still looking for the... Oh, the name of it's Felicia. I was saying bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. There it is. Number 223. Says bye, Felicia 223. Come on, Dad. I'm pretty sure I show you guys that side because it's got a hoy on it. But now let's show you the other side. Like that. It's got many on it. Many. Yeah, definitely. There is... Ooh, how many is there to collect? I think there is 220. I've seen 224, which is Rosie. It's kind of like a boy pirate, like that one right there. Yeah, I found 230. I think the max to collect is 230. But I'm just going to point out one I really like that I've seen on this. The Punisher. It's like a Batgirl man cat. So we've talked a lot about it, but this is Felicia, and now I'm going to say bye, Felicia. See you in the next one.